The nursing shortage is continuing to get worse around the country and here in our state.
A recent University of Michigan study shows almost half of the workforce is actually ready to quit their jobs. Michigan's newest nursing program at the Arizona College of Nursing is doing everything it can to try to fix that trend. CBS News Detroit's Jordan Burrows is here now in studio to break it all down for us.
Chris and Sandra, we know the nursing shortage is nothing new. I've been covering it for probably 5-6 years now. It's the same old song and dance. It's just got worse during COVID. These nurses are going through, I can't say it on air, but you know what they're going through. It's just not good for them. They have so much happening for them. They have all these patients they need to take care of. They're going through thousands of hours of OT every single year, and it's not good for them, right? So we know that they're going through it in a pretty rough way right now. So we had to talk to a couple of these first-year nursing students at the Arizona College of Nursing. Both of those students I talked to are men, and it's worth noting that because only 14% of the nursing industry are represented by men. The nursing field and the nursing school wants to make sure they bring more people and men into the industry and make sure they prioritize workplace culture and nurse retention levels. Inside the Arizona College of Nursing is a full patient simulator designed for immersive training known as SimMan. He helps the dozens of nursing students learn and grow before they get their degree and officially start their career in the real world.
I love being like a bedside person, making somebody smile, and somebody has to care.
Amari Elliott, a first-year student with the new program, is trying to break into the industry and be a part of a successful statistic.
And what you put into this world, you're going to get out.
The nursing shortage is causing 4 out of 10 nurses in the industry to think about leaving their job. This is according to a recent poll by the University of Michigan. That data just one reason why hundreds of nurses went to the state capitol to lobby with legislators. They introduced the Safe Patient Care Act to help combat the nursing shortage. First-year Arizona College nursing student Zach Weichel says something has got to give.
Just as a society, we expect a lot out of healthcare workers. We expect, doctors and nurses to be the very top of society. And it is very important for every person to get extra time off and for the understanding to be had that, we're not all perfect.
Elliott agrees with his classmate, and that point resonates with most in the classroom. The Arizona College of Nursing opened up in Southfield to try to help combat the retirement of thousands of nurses and hopefully inspire thousands more to take on the career.
This is the field that can't be replaced with robots, so the pay has to increase. And one day we're going to get old, and you're going to need somebody to take care of you. So if you care right now, it's going to come back towards you when you get older.
A part of the Safe Patient Care Act includes limiting the number of patients assigned to a nurse and limiting mandatory overtime. And this comes on the heels of this week is National Nurses Week.
Oh, so we should at least give them a hand.
Yeah, Florence Nightingale's birthday, I think, is May 12th. So obviously pivotal nursing. And here we are this week, let people know nursing shortage.
Very serious issue. All right. Thank you, Jordan.